Okay, Bob, what do you got there?
This is the fastest plane here.
Oh, are there more planes here? Let's see.
There's lots of planes.
Oh, there's another plane.
Where's yours, Tana? Here.
Tell me about
Don't
your plane,
crush it.
John.
Well, it'll speak for itself.
Yeah, I think that's where it's at. Boy, that looks good. Here, let me have this back a minute, Tana.
Chuck has a plane. I can only find Chuck. There he is.
Chuck went to the bigger variety.
Yeah, I figure the wing loading has got to be so it'll go with the windy. It is windy.
Use
aerodynamics.
Yours has 4 folds.
Mine is
No, yours has got. You went.
Johnny over here has a model with 4 folds. He crossed his down the long way, whereas Chuck's wingspan is a little longer.
No, let me throw yours then. How's that?
he has a bigger plane.
Oh, Bertie, who said he wasn't competitive, is even fallen for this one. Bertie, that's real designing. I don't know if it'll
Hey,
fly.
Bertie, that's pretty good.
You gotta pull the tip back to do this. This is a 12-fold model here.
A 12-fold? Here, let me see.
It won't fly worth shit though.
You're crushing it.
Well, we gotta
Let's
test
go
these.
test them.
Test
Hey,
fly.
let's
Tana,
test
let's
them.
go test our airplanes.
Yeah.
Where do you want to test them? Across the...
Can you go out with me?
Doesn't have large enough
Back here.
side.
Oh, look at that.
Horizontal surfaces are much larger.
This one's in the bag.
Okay, well, I can modify that quick enough. Gonna reduce the wing area a lot. You guys want to test these?
We don't have a stopwatch. Do you have a stopwatch?
right.
We have to go for distance.
Yeah, let's
Go for distance. Wait, they're just gonna go.
rocket.
I'm a stunt flyer.
All at once.
go. All at once. Okay. Hey, Tana, you ready?
We have to stay on this side of the fence.
Can we run towards the fence?
All of us say one.
Ah,
That goes pretty good at first.
Yeah, it needs a.
I'm ready.
Yes,
Let's
that's
see
where
that
mine
shot.
will win.
So am I. Hey, this race
Wings
wasn't
got lift.
fair.
Show me this design, please.
It doesn't have
the
much
winning
lift.
design.
It has very little lift. It just goes on to keep it
Arrow.
point straight.
Let's see if we
Unfold it
can
for
do
me.
this. I always miss everybody, so I'm just looking at them. Let's see.
sure you didn't-
Fly these things around a little bit.
It's moist. It's heavier. What is this? Protest! Protest! I can design a plane that'll go that far. Hold on.
This on it?
Bob, show me this design, Dalen.
Well,
Look at that. Look at that one.
this plane's basically the same as the rest of those planes, only it's folded one time farther. Makes it
His didn't have any form at all.
more streamlined. So you don't need the lift, you just need to make sure that it goes straight.
At all.
Hey, look at that. Dynamite. Oh. What? Did you get that, Sue?
No.
Throw your rocket again. He has to repair it. It did so much damage. No grace to it. No grace. No what? Try to.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Woo!
But sometimes that's better.
Mango.
Mine are all folded one way.
Wow.
Shot.
Got that down.
I'm gonna give it.
Whoa!
Ready, Sue? I'm ready. Here comes flying.
His incentive is in front of the center of the area.
No, I don't get it.
Watch out for those.
Paper airplanes, not paper rockets.
No, I don't get it.
I got it. I'm going to change it a little bit.
I'm gonna change mine a little bit.
Want me to?
Mhm.
Okay.
Got a lighter thing. Well, I got too many folds. Should have brought more paper.
We had rubber bands.
Did someone
Boy,
go
if
for
we
a
had rubber
stopwatch?
bands.
There's a whole bunch of them in our drawers.
I could get them up in the air then.
You wouldn't have anything if you had rubber bands.
Hey, Tana.
We just take a little stick.
You
It's
ready?
strong enough to make it through the rubber
Let's change it
band.
a little bit, okay?
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Sprinkle up. The rubber band, the paper airplane.
Not if you make them like this.
What?
The
Now, is
rockets
this Bob's
survive.
design?
Huh?
No.
No, this is my design.
Strength comes back.
My design improvement.
How'd you improve
No.
it?
I changed the, I'm putting the rudders on it out on the
No.
sides.
Oh, good thinking.
Wait a minute, Tana. You ready?
Where's yours?
Mine's over there. You ready? Watch it. Let's see how it goes. There it
Hold
goes.
that thing.
Oh.
This is an endurance model. This is this.
Try it. Try it again.
Bob, what are you doing?
Oops, I went.
We need to
This rocket's
these
all-
things would work for pins to hold the,
Bob, what are you doing?
For what?
the inflatable.
What are you doing?
Get it out there.
I'm ready.
What?
Well, I think
I'm
I'll
ready.
go
I'm ready.
on.
1, 2. Let's do it over there. Could we?
See what I can get together on building housing for fans, as well as other cop outs.
Cop. What time we getting back together? Midnight?
11:30.
Try to get the car started.
Oh, forgot
Oh,
about the
right.
car.
Can't do that.
We'll give it a quick.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to be a.
Yeah, let's find out what it is.
What? we could.
We could tomorrow.